Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to buy the Bob coin. It's quite easy to get this done. All you need to do is log on to your browser. Once the website is coinmarketcap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. Now once you're on coinmarketcap.com, simply scroll down towards the market section and you'd find the list of centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges that have the Bob token currently listed, and you can view its pricing as well as its 24-hour trading volume and the liquidity score and the confidence as well. So as you've taken note, KuCoin is the number one exchange that has the Bob token in being listed. So all you need to do now is simply minimize and make sure your KuCoin has been installed. Once you've installed this application, make sure you have an account on KuCoin. If you do not have an account on KuCoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses. So guys, once you're on KuCoin with a verified account, all you need to do to get some of the Bob tokens is simply click on the deposit icon at the top left, and by simply depositing crypto, be it AVE, ACE, or any of these cryptocurrencies that could be converted into the USDT, you could simply get it done there, or you could make use of the FIRE tokens. Let's say you've got some FIRE which is outside of KuCoin. All you need to do is simply add your card details and you'll be charged from your MasterCard or your Visa card. So once you've been able to deposit crypto like the USDT on your KuCoin application, simply deposit it here, and once it's done, head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen so you can have a look at the amount which you hold. And once you've taken note of that, head to the trading icon at the bottom of the screen where we have BNB USDT. Click on BNB USDT, simply search for BOB, that's Bob. Click on Bob USDT, click on the limit drop down and select market. Click on I understand. Once you've selected market, we can easily purchase the Bob token at the current price of the market. All you need to do is enter an amount of USDT you wish to trade for the Bob tokens, and you then find your Bob tokens on your funding wallet. So guys, that's how you can simply buy the Bob coin. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.